Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Sanaullah and today I came back with another good video. So here as you can see I have opened canva.com and I'm gonna tell you which of the best less competition gigs for the Fiverr. So from these gigs you can easily get orders and make more dollars. So without further delay, let's get started with the first one. So here is the first gig. As you can see, the name of this keyword, this gig name is desktop wallpapers. Desktop wallpapers is, as you can see, is lots of gigs here and just 87 services available. So how you can make desktop wallpapers easily without any big softwares or Adobe softwares? Simply go to the Canva free or paid version and simply type here desktop wallpapers. As you can see, tons of drop down options are available. So just simply go to the desktop wallpaper. So here as you can see, lots of desktop wallpapers here. And let me tell you one thing, if you want to get Canva Pro, just simply search on YouTube. Lots of tutorials are available on YouTube and it's easy to make Canva. It's easy to get 30 days free trial of Canva, and obviously when you took the 30 days trial you will get all the premium features for free. So it's our first gig. So let's jump to the second one. Here's the second one is YouTube icons. What is YouTube icons? When you open someone's channel and you see your profile picture, it's called YouTube icons. So you can easily make with the Canva. So simply go to the Canva again and search YouTube icons. It's appearing here, YouTube icon. Click on this. Now as you can see, lots of logos and icons are here. So simply choose as per the client's requirement and do some changing and forward to your clients. So let's jump to the third one. Third one is so simple. Even you don't need to use Canva, you can easily make it from your mobile or any free application. But if you are using laptop or PC, you can use canva.com. Simply go to the canva.com again and write here Photocollect. Simply there's lots of features available, so we will click on the first one, Photocollect. Now there's a variety of things available. You can pick one of them and add it for your client and forward it to your client. Let's jump to the fourth one. A4 documents design. Simply go to again canva.com. Paste it here. Let me tell you the services available in YouTube icons. 82 service available, and in Photocollect 423 service available, and the fourth one is A4 document design, 434 services available. So let's search on canva.com. So simply search A4 document design. You will get A4 document here. Pick any document as per your client requirement, add it and send to your client. Let's jump to the fifth one, the last one. The last one is video presentation. As you can see, it's also appearing in the services, and 522 services are available. So simply again go to the canva.com and type the video presentation, select. Tons of varieties of video presentations are available. Simply pick any of the good one and add it for your client. I hope if you like this video, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe for more these type of videos, and comment below if you are facing any problem. Thank you very much.